defining disease, causal body, also known as Anandamaya Kosha. During sleep, one becomes identified with causal body. It is the veil of avidya or ignorance. It is called Anandamaya Kosha, bliss sheath, because everyone is led to enjoy bliss of Brahman through the veil of avidya. When one wakes up, that bliss becomes remote. However, when avidya is removed by jnana, the soul realizes Brahman or infinite bliss. Avidya or ignorance is considered to be the root disease. Avidya refers to an unconscious obscurity which does not allow you to discover your essential nature as Brahman or the divine self. As long as you do not realize your essential nature, you cannot possess a mind that is free from complexes and the burden of frustrations. All yogic processes are designed to eventually remedy the root disease, which overcomes your causal body. So ignorance or avidya is the Mula Adhi, our root disease. Is the basis not only of the personality of present life, but of countless embodiments you have already experienced, and the many personalities that you may have to live through in future. This process of birth and death will continue until you are freed of this disease by attaining self-realization. From Mula Adhi, root disease, there arises Adhi, mental disease. From a broad point of view, egoism, attachment, hatred, fear, greed, lust, anger, pride, jealousy, craving, discontent, and other negative qualities are expressions of Adhi, mental disease. Adhi or mental disease sets forth discordant vibrations causing abnormal functions of the pranas, the vital forces. The nadis or subtle channels through which the pranas flow become imbalanced in their operation. Some nadis become extraordinarily active, while others become sluggish. Consequently, the humors of the body are disturbed. According to the ancient view, the health of the body depends upon the balance of three humors: wind, bile, and phlegm, vata, pitta, and kapha. When these humors are disturbed, they develop physical disease known as vyadhi. Om. Om. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Shri Ramaya Namah. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om. Prayer for shower of Karuna, Mercy, grace of God over all of you with the blessings of Shakti, Bhakti and Mukti. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushti Vardhanam Urvarukum Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyama Mritat. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om.